What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you guys an update. This is just all the new things that's gonna be included in the updates. Pause the video if you guys want to have a look at it for long. Yeah. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to update CBG cheat menu or do a fresh install. So guys, for the first thing we will need to install Snappy. Oh guys, by the way, before I start, all the links will be in the description below. So this is the first thing we're going to install. It's called Snappy. It's pretty much like a mod regulator for Stardew Valley. Make sure you guys hit the green button to download the software. Once it's been downloaded, go back to your desktop. And after it's desktop, left click Stardew Valley and open file location. You just want to copy the file map. Well, you're just going to save that for later and do that later. Go and click File Explorer and take the file you've just downloaded and open a new folder. And this time we're just going to click Stardew Valley, guys. You'll see me copy other files. You don't need that file. You just need one, and that will be Snappy. You see all these other files you're copying. You do not need it. You just need the one file, Snappy. You're just showing the other files because this video is taken from another video because I don't want to record the entire thing again. So once it's installed, grab your Snappy. That's the first thing I'm going to do, and click extract here. You're going to delete the raw file, open the folder, and then you're going to say install for Windows. When you double click it, it's going to open a terminal, as we're going to see in 5 minutes. Yep, there you go. It has opened a terminal. So now it's going to ask you for the file location. This is why I told you to open it beforehand. So now we're going to click the open, and then on the top, double click it, Control C it. So you have copied the file location of Stardew Valley. So once copied, go back to the terminal and do Control V. So now we're going to paste the file path in the terminal and click enter. So you're going to get option, obviously you're going to click one because you have to install Snappy. So you're just going to click one and Snappy has been installed. You can get this green thing. Ta-da! It has been done, guys. So once Snappy is installed, guys, you have to install the CJB cheat menu. I'll just leave a Google Drive in the link description below and the NEXUS link if you want to support the creator. Just click the download button, so it's going to be downloaded to your computer. I already installed it, guys. So I'm just going to leave it there, and it's recommended just drag it to your desktop like I just did. So once that's been done, you want to open the file location again from Stardew Valley. So you can go to the icon, left click it, and click open file location. Once that's been done, you have a mod folder. After installing Snappy, it automatically creates this mod folder for you guys. So it should be on the very top. Double click it and drag the raw file inside. Once inside, left click it and click extract here. So once it's been extracted, guys, you don't need the raw file anymore. You can delete it, and the mod has been installed. So you can't open the mod directly from Stardew Valley. You'll need to find the modding API for Stardew Valley in order for it to work. So once it's open, it's going to open a terminal. It's going to check all of the mods are working correctly. Obviously we just have one mod installed, so it's not going to take that long. And then it will proceed to open Stardew Valley. So everything, guys, everything's checked out. If there was any errors, it will show you a red writing. So now we're opening Stardew Valley. So yeah, CJB's cheats, guys, is an awesome cheat to have, honestly. You can do a lot of hacking, add coins, configure a lot of things. I think it's awesome. We're just gonna quickly create a new world. Just name the farm Bakshi Place, and also name the favorite thing. And just click OK, and it's gonna create the farm. Saving. So once the farm is open, to access the cheat menu, guys, you just have to click P on the keyboard. Once you do that, your cheat menu is open. So you guys have successfully updated the CJB cheat menu. This has new features, as I did mention in the beginning of the video. You can always go back and check it out, all the new features, if you guys would like to update. But yeah, so this is just all the features. I'll just quickly show you